Hey Sarah,
Hi.
thanks for coming out here today and teaching us a little bit about the research that you're helping do here on the student farm. Can you maybe just start off by telling us what you're studying here at UC Davis?
Yeah, so I'm studying environmental science. So I get to learn a lot about soils and trees and the ocean. I learned a lot about the different parts of the environment that we interact with.
Thanks, Sarah. And how long have you been working on this research project out at the student farm?
I've been here for almost 3 years, so I've got to see a lot of how this plot and this experiment has changed.
Thanks. And can you tell us a tiny bit about what you're investigating here on the student farm and these research plots?
Yeah, so here we're investigating how different mixes of wildflowers can help farms pollinate their crops. So crops need pollinators to grow and to give us food. So we noticed that there's less bees there than there used to be. So what we're doing is trying to provide habitat with wildflowers and see if that can bring bees back to farms and help us pollinate.
Thanks. And so I notice out here there's a lot of different plots.
Yeah.
Are you testing out different mixes of native wildflowers?
Yeah, so we have a lot of different mixes. We have so many wildflowers that are from California, and what we did is mixed a bunch of them into different kinds of mixes. So some mixes might work better, and we're trying to see which ones do. So maybe some mixes are better at blooming all year long so that bees always have habitat, and that's what we're looking for.
Great. I'm going to zoom in here and see if we can look up close at some of these wildflowers. Can you tell us a teeny bit about what this flower is right here?
Yeah. So this one here is a phacelia. These are really cool because if you see, they kind of bloom in a little bit of a spiral. Maybe some of them are easier to see. But these have a lot of flowers on one stem. And that's very different from something like a poppy over here, which has one flower and it's a big one. So there's all kinds of flowers that bees will prefer, and different species are in California. So we're trying to have a lot of different kinds of flowers so that a lot of kinds of bees can help us pollinate.
Great. Thank you so much, Sarah.
Yeah.